Hello friends, welcome to Health, Music and Fitness channel. Today I will show you how to add solid color background to your text in your video in DaVinci Resolve. So let us start. This video in Filmora 10, and the software in which we'll be working is DaVinci Resolve Studio. So this is what we'll be getting in the end. Like, this is the solid background color, and you can decrease or increase the intensity of the color, and you can add different shades to it, and you can also change the color of the text. So to begin with, first we'll just crop this video, and we'll hit del, and or I'll press Ctrl Z and I'll press 2. That's the shortcut which I made to delete where the marker is, and 3 I've assigned to delete. So it helps me work fast when I'm working in DaVinci Resolve. So this is what we want in the end. So we'll move the timeline cursor to the end, and then we'll start working. And this image we have stretched, and supposing this image was deleted out here and we don't have the image anymore, so you can just hold it from here. When this single thing comes, you can just extend the bracket like this, and you can decrease the zoom, and you can further catch it and extend it. Okay, so now we have a fairly long stretch of the picture. So we'll place the cursor timeline marker out here. Then you go to cut page. You come to titles. Then in titles you select text. So you drag and drop text out here. Then you move to the edit mode. So these are different modes: media, cut, edit, fusion, color, fairlight and deliver. So now we'll work in edit mode. So in the edit mode, you have to go to generators and solid color. So then you can pick up a solid color template out here and drop it. So hold it and then drop it here. Okay, so now you have 3 video tracks. This is the image, and this is the solid color, and this is the text which you can see out here, text. So solid color out here by default will be black. This you can see out here. So then if you want to change the background color, let us say any color you want to assign, just assign this color, and you can increase or decrease the opacity of the color. So this I will show you how you will do. And then you come to the text. In the text you type whatever you want, and you write solid color background. Now see, this does not look very good, and supposing you want to give yellow color to the font, it will just look horrible. And out here you can decrease the size of the font like this, and oops, there is a mistake, so SOLID, and so this is how you decrease the size or increase the size of the font. You can select various fonts from here, and but will not change that. And from normal you can go to bold, or you can go to italic or bold italic. So we'll select bold italic. Okay, then if there are multiple lines, you can space them. Then font style you can keep change it. Okay, underline or line above, we don't want either of them. And you want the font to be centralized or to one side, towards right align, left align, whichever you want. Okay, then there are X and Y anchor points, and if you want the text to move up, you can move it up. If you want it to move down along the Y axis, it will move down. You can move it down. Same way for x-axis. You can move it left and to the right as you want. Then you can zoom the text or zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so also you can rotate the text little bit, and but if you want to undo it, like right now, see, I have just rotated it and I don't know what to do to come to the center point, original point. Just double click out here and it will come to the center point. So this is all we want to do the text. Then you click again on the solid background. Now for yellow font, I don't want now this is a pretty, so you can see which one you want, which color you want as background, and it should be soothing. Most importantly, you should like it because it's you who is doing it. Okay, so it should be little dark, and yeah, so it doesn't hurt the eyes. Now I want the background picture also to be visible. For this, make sure the solid background color is selected. Then you come to this drop down menu and click on transform. Then you will see these points which become highlighted. Then you catch one of them and you can decrease it. Okay, so you can also drag the boundaries, and okay, so it's like that. So but still now it is still not looking good. Then out here there is opacity, so you can decrease or increase the opacity. This is where the magic happens. So don't go to the extreme, don't keep it like this, don't keep it like this, be somewhere in the center. Okay, then there are other parameters, add color, color burn. Color burn gives very good effect sometimes. So highlight this and with the mouse cursor you can see the effects. Okay, now color burn is giving a very beautiful effect, and even those golden points on my Dobby's eyes, they're also eyebrows, so they are also looking beautiful. So depends what you want. If you want the background image to be very visible, you can decrease the opacity. Okay, then it will become like this, but we'll keep the opacity little bit, and I think this is good. So that's how you will add background color to the text in your video or on the text which you put in your picture. And then out here there are more parameters, crop left, crop right. So if you crop left, it will become like this. It looks horrible out here. So then crop right is there. So okay, we'll equalize it. Crop top, crop bottom. So now if we see out here distance is less, out here it is more because we had moved the text. So now we will crop it and make it look little beautiful. So then this is next parameter is softness. This is a beautiful parameter, so you can play around with it and you can decrease or increase the softness, and I will show you how it will look. It will look beautiful. So we have decreased the decrease the softness a little bit. Now you uncheck this and it will give this type of image. So it's looking beautiful. Okay, and like this. So around you can round the edges a little bit. So this is how you will add background color to the text in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Click the like button and post a comment, and if you want me to make some more videos in DaVinci Resolve, please do comment, and if I can, I will try to make the video. Thank you.